If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Correct the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and oh! So for us to the face I hear the voice, you don't know say a kogency, but a kogency reacts channel. And today we have N15, D-Rose and Shox the cold room. Now, nobody never tell me to react to this or whatever, but last night I was in my vibe and I was like, let me check this out because I saw it uploaded. And the flow what that guy started off with in the first 4 bars, I was like, nope. Not listening to this right now. I gotta react to this on the channel, man. It was sounding too sick, dog. I swear. It was sounding way too sick, man. So hopefully it keeps it up throughout the rest of the song and then we'll just get a mad freestyle to react to. But yo, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. I don't really have much to say before the video starts. So yo, let's jump into it.
Elevate! This mix sounds mad.
Elevate! Listen to this beat.
Beats, baby.
Oh,
I Tweeko mix this.
Tweeko, it sounds cold.
Lean, press it, queff it. That spillage on island 11, man, someone come pick up their brethren. Man better pick up their brethren when we jump out and then boy they leg it. Carl rip man's organs right out of place with my blade or I bust that Western. Them boys some bitches really should've switched place with their sisters. On my life they ain't on a thing, they should've stayed home and washed mumsy's dishes. I swear I'm too old for this shit, got me feeling like the guy from Lethal Weapon. But it make me feel like Bowser when I spray these shells out the cart with venom. Two shots of this rusty gauge, man better pray that I aim and miss.
Sorry, dog. You see what I mean? With the way how the beat start and everything, and you understand? Energy is way too mad, dog. Way too mad, bro. I gotta hear this. I gotta start it over. I'm sorry. I have to.
Elevate!
I
this
have to.
mix sounds mad.
Pull up! And then listen to this kick slash bass combo.
I Tweeko mix this, you know. It sounds cold.
Lean, press it, queff it. That spillage on island 11, man, someone come pick up their brethren. Man better pick up their brethren when we jump out and then boy they leg it. Carl rip man's organs right out of place with my blade or I bust that Western. Them boys some bitches really should've switched place with their sisters. On my life they ain't on a thing, they should've stayed home and washed mumsy's dishes. I swear I'm too old for this shit, got me feeling like the guy from Lethal Weapon. But it make me feel like Bowser when I spray these shells out the cart with venom. Two shots of this rusty gauge, man better pray that I aim and miss. Cause it ain't gonna be my mum that's crying when she gotta bury a kid. Sad, you gotta do it not go fund me car, you didn't even leave her a quid. Done with that, you're dead, let me put you in a spliff. Now my eyes them red, just man like your t-shirt about grub and cap.
Fam, the man just fully explained a full day of drilling and what's gonna happen after he drills you. Listen, bro. If you ever wanted to know what's gonna happen if you jump on the roads, listen.
Two shots of this rusty gauge, man better pray that I aim and miss. Cause it ain't gonna be my mum that's crying when she gotta bury a kid. Sad, you gotta do it not go fund me car, you didn't even leave her a quid. Done with that, you're dead, let me put you in a spliff. Now my eyes them red, just man like your t-shirt about grub and cats.
I tried to like keep a straight face throughout that, but this beat is dumping. Listen, but yeah, don't jump on the roads cause it gonna make your mom cry. You know what I'm saying? So don't jump on the roads, bro.
That you're dead, let me put you in a spliff. Now my eyes them red, just man like your t-shirt. About grub and cats or corn and waps, do your own work. Like I was 19 years old in all with a phone in a box on my own work. And if you're wondering how I made that happen, I have to give thanks to my pole first. Basically the brick got stolen. Car left a boy like Olaf when I took Elsa out the bag and froze him. Lean, press.
Some Frozen thing, Olaf and them something there, yeah man. I don't know about Frozen, but I know the name.
To my own work. And if you're wondering how I made that happen, I have to give thanks to my pole first. Basically the brick got stolen. Car left a boy like Olaf when I took Elsa out the bag and frozen. Lean, press it, queff it. That's village on island level, man. Someone come pick up their brethren. Man better pick up their brethren when we jump out and then boy they leg it. Carl rip man's organs right out of place with my blade or I bust that Western. Them boys some bitches really should've switched place with their sisters. On my life they ain't on a thing, they should've stayed home and washed mumsy's dishes. I swear I'm too old for this shit, got me feeling like the guy from Lethal Weapon. But it make me feel like Bowser when I spray these shells out the cart with venom. I swear them man make me laugh, do a one chinging and rap about drillings. Yeah they rap and D-Rose raps, but trust me D-Rose ting is different. Hop out the ride and do that vicious.
Like yeah bro, like I rap and you rap that, but like it's bro, it's so different. You wouldn't even get it, dog. Trust me. I understand what it means. Not saying I'm doing any chingins and rap, bro. I ain't doing no chingins, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I understand what it means, dog, because some niggas, they ain't really living it like that, man, but they're making you think that they do.
These shells out the cart with venom. I swear them man make me laugh. Do a one chingin and rap about
drillings.
Yeah, they rap and D-Rose raps, but trust me, D-Rose ting
is
is
different.
Hop out the ride and do that vicious. Or hop out the ride and wheel man's misses. Anybody here wanna intervene, I'll blast and speed off the whiz man's whizzing.
I don't fuck around with 1 pot, 2 shot minimum. Yeah, I'm that fancy looker. Swear it's peak for them if I get round there and I rise up Mandy. Wait, who's that? Splash, splash. All four, I'll do it gladly. Shit, I just done it in my favourite trackie. Now gotta burn it along with my belly.
Look, the way how it started, dog, like the aggression, man. I feel like I just want, you know what I'm saying, though. Alright, let me calm down. But you know what I'm saying?
I don't fuck around with 1 pot, 2 shot.
Even the I don't fuck around with. That's going to stay in my head all day, trust me.
If you here wanna intervene, I'll blast and speed off the whiz man's whizzing.
I don't fuck around with
1 pot, 2 shot minimum. Yeah, I'm that fancy looker. Swear it's peak for them if I get round there and I rise up Mandy. Wait, who's that? Splash, splash. All four, I'll do it gladly. Shit, I just done it in my favourite trackie. Now gotta burn it along with my
belly.
Yeah, they got G-locks and we got G-locks, but them man they ting just simple. I need an enhanced beam with a whistle, so when I rise it, it's red dots like Hindus. Until then, let it rip on my Beyblade shit and pray that I bust that pimple. I swear gang get violent when I'm riding, so don't slip and slide like
mention my name.
Look, yeah, they got G-locks and we got G-locks, but them man they ting just simple. I need an enhanced beam with a whistle, so when I rise it, it's red dots like Hindus. Until then, let it rip on my Beyblade shit and pray that I bust that pimple. I swear gang get violent when I'm riding, so don't slip and slide like
mention my name. When 2 of your bridges dead up. All now, no one's been touched or wiped. If I was them, I'll be feeling fed up. And on top of that, dog.
Wait, which 2 bridges is that? What? No, don't tell me. But who's his apps that he's talking about? Yeah.
I swear, gang get violent when I'm riding, so don't slip.
As in, I know him. Yeah. Never mind. I know his apps. Never mind.
How dare I mention my name? When 2 of your bridges dead up. All now, no one's been touched or wiped. If I was them, I'll be feeling fed up. And on top of that, dog, I'm fed up. Cause when I get round it, they lift their leg up. Splash man down, ching man, big face. And I leave the whole scene red like ketchup.
Aye, they lift their leg up, man. Guys,
I'll be feeling fed up.
Listen, go back, man.
Pray that I bust that pimple. I swear, gang get violent when I'm riding, so don't slip and slide.
How dare I mention my name? When 2 of your bridges dead up. All now, no one's been touched or wiped. If I was them, I'll be feeling fed up. And on top of that, dog, I'm fed up. Cause when I get round it, they lift their leg up. Splash man down, ching man, big face. And I leave the whole scene red like ketchup. Lead, press it, queff it. That's village on island level, man. Someone come pick up their brethren.
Man better pick up their brethren when we jump out and then boy they leg it. Carl rip man's organs right out of place with my blade or I bust that Western.
Them boys some bitches really should've switched place with their sisters. On my life they ain't on a thing, they should've stayed home and washed mumsy's dishes.
I swear I'm too old for this shit, got me feeling like the guy from Lethal Weapon. But it make me feel like Bowser when I spray these shells out the cart with venom.
Aye. Dog, so we're getting a second beat. Real and truly, we never need a second beat. The first beat and the freeze, all the bars and flows and everything, amazing, bro. We don't need a second one, but thank you that you're giving us a second one, and I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? So let's hear what's going on. Come on, man. Why is he holding the mic like he's trying to caress it, man? Why is he doing that, man? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. It's John Cena. You can't see him.
Free the fucking guys, man.
Free the lifers.
I ain't even gonna say that much.
I Tweeko mix this, you know. It sounds cold.
It's only 8:30 in the morning and they're trying to tell me about exercise. I could kiss my teeth and pull my sheet over my head and close my eyes. But all of that days in the past. Now I'm back with a Bayesian light.
He's talking about jail. I know some people like, who's waking him up at 8:30 in the morning? Is his mom waking him up? No, bro. It's the fucking warden, bro. It's the fucking, what you call that? The CO, bro. You know what I'm saying?
It's only 8:30 in the morning and they're trying to tell me about exercise. Had to kiss my teeth and pull my sheet over my head and close my eyes. But all of that days in the past. Now I'm back with a Bayesian light. And I'm told them they can't make shot where man make shot. Can't take them pies. Yeah, I might act cool.
Can't take them pies. Don't take shot when me take shot, cause I'll take them pies, bro. I'll take your grub, stay and gang your shit. Why am I burping so much today? Jesus.
I'm told them they can't make shot where man make shot. Can't take them pies. Yeah, I might act cool, but please don't cross them wires. Cause smile and switch off lights like I switch off lights just before man vibe. Rock the dots.
Man say cause I smile and switch off lights. I believe you, bro. I've never seen it before, but from the bars you've been saying, I believe you.
Please don't cross them wires. Cause smile and switch off lights like I switch off lights just before man vibe. Rock the dots and fill it with bind. Lock my arm and aim out rides. Do it like Messi and hit that crossbar perfect time, no trying. Now that's another mumsy crying. Shoulda lock up the door and tell her son stay inside cause the streets is frying. But bad B wanna
listen, my mom don't need to lock that door. My mom can leave that door open and I will not go there, bro. The streets is frying for real. I'm staying inside, man.
Crying. Shoulda lock up the door and tell her son stay inside cause the streets is frying. But bad B wanna ask if she's mine. Shut your mouth and lock this bind. Love big bro, can move like Nino and all. Now we still ain't done no time.
Wait. So a bad B can ask what you and her is as soon as I might shut him up, man, and all this. So babe, what are we? I know we've been doing nothing for a little. Shut up, man. Shut up, man. Man, gotta go up block, girl. You telling me, ask me about what are we, man? We're humans. Fuck. We're humans, man. Hey, but yo, this is why, you know, bad bees come to me, man. I will never tell you to shut up like that.
Tell her son stay inside cause the streets is frying. But bad B wanna ask if she's mine. Shut your mouth and lock this bind.
Shut
Love
up.
big bro, can move like Nino and all. Now we still ain't done no time. We make food do flips on flips in the
That don't make any sense, bro. There's no way there's somebody older than you that is more violent than you and hasn't done any time. The police aren't doing their job, obviously. Which is fine. Go get more music. But you know what I'm saying? But listen, that don't make any sense, dog. That don't make no sense. How him don't do any time? Him need to give me the blueprint then. No, listen, I don't want to be a jailer, bro. I'm joking. Maybe.
Love big bro, can move like Nino and all. Now we still ain't done no time. We make food do flips on flips in the kitchen. Why you think the safe look nice? Courtesy of my runnery, ate like these for a month, no lies. 2 double cheeseburgers with a sweet chili sauce and 2 large fries. And a Coke on the side, no ice. He ate that shit so much that his skin turned nasty and broke in ives. But let's put that aside.
Dog, this guy is... Who is this guy, bro? The man is telling me his life story, fam. And he's very good at it.
In the kitchen, why you think the safe look nice? Courtesy of my runnery, ate like these for a month, no lies.
Eating McD's for a month is bad. Horrible.
2 double cheeseburgers with a sweet chili sauce and 2 large fries. And a Coke on the side, no ice. He ate that shit so much that his skin turned nasty and broke in ives.
See, dog, never mind, bro. I don't want that guy to show me the way anymore, bro. After what you just described, nah, man, I'm fine, bro. I'd rather stay in my room, fam. I swear to you, bro. I swear to you, bro. You know what I'm saying? All these LV sweaters and Moncler and Canada Goose, it ain't worth it, dog. That we just described a while ago is not worth a Canada Goose sweater for me, bro. I swear to you.
But let's put that aside. Cause he was out here so much, had cats on clock going nuts for the eye. Even in jail still had cats going all nuts in the cell for the rice. Even in jail still had cats going all nuts in the cell for the rice. One of them smoked it and nearly died. Even the one trying to get radio play still stay me a box of the light and beige. Don't fucking play big roles when a real sick head from Quay, I skirt and squeeze. So best be alert when you see that ding dong fly down street cause shit get beat. Best be alert when you see that ding dong fly down street cause shit get beat. I use that, what's that weight man? Do the stick and just handbrake skid. Fly out the ride on a sick head thing, squeeze forward and I chip back in. Everyone's so cool, steppers to something get peppered and something's in bricks. To tell the truth, I would have been rich if it weren't for the Ross Clark meddling pics. But bad one says I'm a demon, but she still bought to my songs and shit. I put dick in her belly and pull out and bust my nut and she got them kids. Then it's back to the M-way, I ain't tryna leave this spot to the reload it. How they gonna tell big bros about Upsa? Bad man, I done too much old trips.
Oh, can't tell me about Upsa. Aye, gang. Aye. Jesus, this beat is amazing. Bro. D Rose, Jesus Christ, fam. Even Shox as well. Shox would have dip on the second beat, dog. Shox and the Heroes, man. If this is a duo thing, bro, some duos have a lot of explaining to do because first release was a duo. Hey, gotta give it to them, bro. I gotta give them props. You understand? But even if it's not, even if it's just D-Rose sick and Shox sick, so yo, I hope we get some more music from them. This was sick. The beats, 2 of the beat them did sick, dog. Amazing. And then in the second one, D-Rose was really telling you like who he is. So I guess this is our introduction to D-Rose on the channel. So yo, I hope anything D-Rose put out after this, I'm checking it out on the channel. No joke. Even Shox. You understand? So yo, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Hit that like or dislike button. And yeah, jump in the comments and tell me anything in the comments. I reply to all the comments. Kogency on the Kogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me,